How to make PDF file in Figma. Inside Figma, you'll have your frames and design elements ready. Once your design is built, for example, I have this homepage that contains all my content, you might want to export it as a PDF. To do that, first select the homepage you want to export. You can click directly on the homepage in the canvas or select the homepage layer from the Layers panel on the left side. Next, go to the Design tab on the right-hand side and scroll down to the bottom until you see the Export section. Click on Export, and this will add an export setting to your selected homepage. By default, the file type is usually set to PNG. Click on the File Format drop-down menu and change it to PDF. After selecting PDF, you can click on the three dots to review additional export settings, such as the color profile and bounding box. Make sure everything is set the way you want. Once you're ready, click the Export button. If you're using the desktop version of Figma, you'll be able to choose where to save the file and what to name it. If you're using the browser version, the PDF will download directly to your browser's default download location. After saving, you can open the file from your Downloads folder or wherever you chose to save it. When you open the PDF, you'll see that all vector elements and text layouts are preserved. You can now share the PDF or use it however you need. And that's it. That's how you export a PDF from Figma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.